Hello students, welcome to our video of chapter Human Health and Diseases from class 12th. In this particular video, we will be discussing the topic drugs and alcohol abuse. Now there are various medicinal drugs that are prescribed by physician. Okay, so what will be the definition of drug or alcohol abuse? So first we will study or see the definition of drug abuse, because drugs are prescribed by the physician. So how it can be called as abuse? When this drug are taken for a purpose other than medicinal use. Understood? Suppose one is not suffering from any medical ailment and still that person is taking the drug. This is one condition. See, when physician has prescribed and you are taking that drug, it will not be called as abuse. It will not be called as drug abuse. Okay. So first condition or first point, when you can call it as drug abuse, when drugs are taken for a purpose other than medicinal use. Means even though you do not have prescription for that particular drug and still you are taking, that is one thing. Second is in amount. Amount means whatever, suppose let us assume 5 milligram is the dose. So instead of taking 5 milligram dose, you are taking 10 milligram, right? So different amount than prescribed you are taking. This is second thing, right? Third thing is frequency of taking the drug. Suppose drug is prescribed as OD. OD means once a day dose. You are taking more than once a day. You are taking twice or thrice. So these are the three things. I will recap again. When drugs are taken for the purpose other than medicinal use, means even though it is not prescribed, still you are taking, this is one. More than prescribed amount and more than prescribed frequency. Okay. So when one is taking drug in this matter, what will happen? It will tend to impair, it will tend to alter the various function, various physical function, physiological or psychological function. Then it will be called as drug abuse. Understood? Now this particular topic has got very importance sociologically. Sociologically, it is very burning issue. Drug abuse or alcohol abuse is very burning issue which is affecting our society, right? So many NGOs are working to deal with this issue. But in this particular video, we are not looking from that point of view. Okay? We are studying this topic NEET point of view. Those who do not know NEET, what is this NEET? It is the entrance exam for getting admission in the medical colleges. So what will be the format of question that will be asked on this particular topic? So from that point of view, we are discussing this particular topic. So from NEET point of view, this topic is very easy, right? We call it that memory based question or factual questions will be coming from this topic. So we will study these drugs and their effects. We will be studying drugs like opioids, cannabinoids, cocaine, various hallucinogens. Okay, and after that smoking also little bit we will be discussing. We start with first drug, opioids. This is the picture I have taken from NCERT textbook. Opioids, these are your one type of alkaloids extracted from the plant poppy. Papaver somniferum is the term, botanical term for this particular plant. You must have seen this plant. This is the chemical structure of morphine. Morphine is extracted from this plant, right? Morphine आपने बाकी जगह भी सुना होगा, like it is very potent painkiller, sedative, right? So this structure is important. Many a times very simple question they will ask in the exam. right? They will provide you in 4 options some different structure, and in the question simply they will ask which one is the chemical structure of morphine. So from that point of view, very simple, very easy question will be asked on this information. In the beginning only I said that this topic is very easy from exam point of view. All you have to do is just study, go through it and learn some facts. Facts means like for this for example, this particular structure. Understood? Now how this opioid or this particular alkaloid is extracted? For example, you could see this structure. What is this? It is looking like fruit. Yes, you are right, this is fruit only. And what is fruit? It is the ovary after fertilization. Ovary gets converted into fruit after fertilization, right? And this latex is taken out from this fruit. Okay, we cut it like this, and this white color thing oozing out from the cuts you could see. We collect it, we dry it, powder it, and morphine and heroin is prepared from this latex. जैसे फ्लावर से या लीव से ये मॉर्फिन और हेरोइन जो है वो बनाई नहीं जाती है. इट इज़ प्रिपेयर्ड फ्रॉम दिस लैटेक्स. ओके, और कैसे आता है ये? आफ्टर कटिंग दिस ओवरी पार्ट, दिस फ्रूट पार्ट. So it will come out, it will ooze out in the form of these droplets. These droplets are collected and later on it is dried. This is the botanical name of that plant, Papaver somniferum. Common name is poppy plant. In Indian language, like common language जो हिंदी है, we call it as खसखस. आपने सुना होगा खसखस सीड्स जो होते हैं, दैट वी पुट इन करी टू मेक इट थिक, राइट? तो इट इज़ वन एंड सेम थिंग. सीड्स ऑफ दैट प्लांट विल बी खसखस दैट वी यूज इन मेकिंग करी, एंड लैटेक्स विल बी योर used for preparing this morphine or heroin, right? So we have various receptors for this particular alkaloid in our brain. So it will bind with this receptor and it will show its effect. So what type of effect? Generally 3 effects are provided by this drug. One is your depressant, one is stimulant, and next is your hallucinogenic, right? Some drug might be stimulant in nature, some might be depressant, or some might be combination of this. When you take this drug in different quantity, the dose amount is different, effect also will be differing there. Heroin, another word is there called as smack, common name. It is nothing but your diacetylated morphine, right? And what is the nature of this drug? It is depressant. So morphine is prescribed for inducing the sleep, for removing anxiety, because it is depressant in nature. It will slow down your activities, various metabolic activities will be slowed down. And morphine is very potent painkiller. So it is given especially after the surgery to remove the pain. And many a times painful conditions are present in many diseases like cancer. At that time also this morphine is given, right? But we have seen that definition of drug abuse, whenever it is not prescribed and still one is taking, it will fall in the category of drug abuse. So morphine, it can be medically prescribed, but it can be used by many drug addicts for their own gains. Next drug is cannabinoids. This is the leaf of cannabis sativa. You must have seen this plant, and this is the structure, chemical structure. Just like in previous slide we have provided this structure of morphine. you have to learn structure of cannabinoid molecule also. The plant look like a shrub like this. Now this plant, okay, generally we use inflorescence of this plant for this particular alkaloid, but many a times other parts like leaves also is used as a drug. Okay, but main part of the plant is your inflorescence. Now cannabinoids, they also have these receptors in the brain. They will bind there and they will alter the functioning, right? Now in which category these cannabinoids come or falls? So many a times it is depressant in nature, sometimes it is stimulant also, okay, and hallucinogenic also. Hallucinogenic function or action we'll be studying in our next slide. These are the common names: marijuana, hashish, charas, ganja. These are the different forms of drugs obtained from this plant, right? Sometimes leaves are used like that. Next drug is cocaine, which is coca alkaloid. It is extracted from the plant Erythroxylum coca. Plant will look like something like this, and this drug is obtained from the leaves. Leaves से निकाला जाता है. In this particular species Erythroxylum coca, approximately 2% alkaloid will be present. As it is written here that this plant is native to South America. How it acts? Cocaine, which is commonly called as coke or crack, and is usually snorted. One of the student was asking me what is this snorting exactly mean. So this picture is quite familiar to you. You must have seen in many cinemas this picture that they are snorting this coke through this tube or like structure. Generally they use this dollar note for this because of the stiffness, appropriate stiffness for rolling it, so that this coke powder will be snorted in. Now how it acts? It is stimulant in nature. Okay, one thing I remind, like here what you can do, you can make the table for these 4 drugs. Okay, and you can write down their action. First you have to write the plant from where it is extracted, and second is action, where it is stimulant in nature, depressant. In that way it becomes easy when you perform or when you do this comparative type of study. It will be easy to recall the stuff for long period. Now this cocaine is stimulant in nature. Because of stimulant property, the person taking this drug will feel euphoria, pleasure condition, or very active that person will feel. But when you take excess doses, it will cause hallucination. Unrealistic surrounding or unrealistic things person will start imagining. That is your hallucination. So excessive dose, if you take of this cocaine, it will cause hallucination. Otherwise it is stimulant in nature. One feels very active after taking this drug. Hallucinogen, where I was mentioning you in our last to last slide, that we will be discussing this hallucinogen in our next slide. So hallucinogens that will cause hallucination. And what is hallucination? It is imagining the unrealistic things. Daydreaming also you can call it. Okay, you start seeing the pictures or things which are not present there, right? Some fairies, or as if you are floating on the clouds, or you are seeing stars in the day, like that. So it is unreal objects one start seeing because of the disorder of nervous system. Some name of the drugs are given here: lysergic acid, This we had discussed that when you take it in higher quantity, or cannabis, it also acts as a depressant, stimulant, as well as hallucinogen. These are the name of two plants, Atropa belladonna and Datura stramonium, which causes hallucination. So these are your two plants, Datura, and common name is belladonna. Scientific name or botanical name is Atropa belladonna. Apart from these four drugs, there are many drugs which are used as drug abuse. Now these are the some drugs which are medically prescribed. Okay, barbiturates are there, amphetamines, various drugs which are prescribed to treat medical disorders like depression or insomnia. So these are the drugs also drug addict uses. We must have read this in newspaper, or we are aware about the misuse of drugs in sports. Many times this body, they will, this sports organizing body, they will literally rip off the medal also from the sports person after they found out the positive test for this particular drugs. They have this list of various drugs which a sports person is not supposed to take, because many sports person, they will take these drugs for these many reasons: to perform or to enhance the performance, increase the muscle strength, increase aggressiveness. So in order to enhance the performance in sports, sports person will take these drugs. So that will be quite unfair with if you compare with the sports person which are not taking drugs. So that is why it is not allowed. Smoking. Potent alkaloid is present is nicotine. Botanical name of the plant is Nicotiana tabacum. Common name is tobacco. We know smoking. The plant will look like something like this, herbaceous plant. Now what happens because of smoking? Now whenever I am saying this word smoking, we are taking consideration nicotine in our mind, right? First foremost thing, even before we start reading what it causes, we know that smoking causes cancer. In our video that was based upon cancer, where we have discussed this disease cancer, one of the cancer causing factor, that means carcinogen, was your smoking. So smoking causes cancer. It is not necessary that cancer of lung only will occur because of smoking, but it may cause cancer of other organs also, right? See, it is associated with increased incidence of cancer of lungs, of course, urinary bladder, throat. Now smoking, it is stimulant in nature because it activates this sympathetic system by secretion of adrenaline and noradrenaline. So it increases blood pressure, increases heart rate. So it is stimulant in nature. Apart from cancer, it also causes diseases like bronchitis, emphysema. Emphysema, you know, right? Where your alveolar surface area gets decreased. Alveolar surface or alveoli is the place where exchange of gases occur. So this surface area reduced means exchange is reduced. Exchange is reduced means less amount of oxygen, right? Apart from smoking, tobacco is also used in the form of chewing, which has got direct relation with the cancer of oral cavity or buccal cavity, right? Now we know the affinity of hemoglobin. If you compare that affinity, oxygen has got more affinity to hemoglobin as compared to carbon dioxide. Okay, that is why if you have equal amount of carbon dioxide and oxygen, hemoglobin will bind with oxygen. It will not bind with carbon dioxide. In the same way, hemoglobin has got more affinity for carbon monoxide over oxygen. It means if oxygen and carbon monoxide, both the gases are present in same quantity, at that time hemoglobin molecule will bind with carbon monoxide. So that carbon monoxide hemoglobin complex, it will not allow binding of oxygen. So what will happen? Less amount of oxygen will be supplied to tissue, and we know oxygen is required to extract ATP or energy that is stored in the molecule. So it will result into anemia and less activity, tiredness, weakness, fatigue also. Next is your alcohol abuse. It is directly affect your nervous system. Organ like liver also gets affected in chronic alcohol use. Condition like liver cirrhosis, many times fatty liver symptom also is seen. In liver cirrhosis, you will find that cells or a part of liver becomes fibrosed. Now the cells of liver is your hepatocytes. Liver function, liver performs very important function. It is involved in metabolic activity, detoxification, apart from production of bile, right? So this function gets affected directly because hepatocyte is the cell that will perform this function, that will produce or secrete this bile juice, right? So liver function gets affected in case of alcohol abuse. Alcohol also alters the development of fetus, growing embryo, right? There are these drugs called as teratogens which will affect the physical structure or function of growing embryo, growing fetus in the womb of mother, in the womb of pregnant mother. So this alcohol or smoking falls into teratogenic drug. Spelling is simple, terato, T-E-R-A-T-O, teratogens or teratogenic drugs. So alcohol, smoking, for that matter, the drugs we had discussed like cocaine, opioids, all these are your teratogenic in nature. A pregnant mother should not take this drug because it will directly affect the physical structure or functioning of the fetus. We will be continuing these topics that are present in this chapter in our next videos. Till that time, keep studying and keep watching our videos. Thank you.